Hi, this is Nawa from Zambia. I want to encourage young people to get out and participate. Young people must lead. They've led, they are leading, and they will lead.
Hello guys, I'm Hortensia from Mozambique, Southern Africa. I want to tell you young people that we are not the future of Africa, but we are the present. So the change must be now.
Hi, I am Machia from South Africa. Africa is waiting for you to make a difference. This is your chance to be part of the bigger picture. Thank you.
Be inspired, act, and do concrete things for not only your country, but for all Africa.
Salut, je viens de la Côte d'Ivoire. Il est temps pour les jeunes de s'engager dans tout ce qui est bon, de se relever pour relever l'Afrique. Ne restez pas en dehors des positions. Faites de la politique. Engagez-vous dans tout ce qui concerne votre continent, car l'Afrique compte sur nous. Merci.
I'm Dr. Hassan Ali, and I'm encouraging everyone to take part in community health education and community health work. And yeah.